I'm here with Mark Wilson here at Glensound. Hi Mark, good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
Now we always meet up at these shows and you've always got a lot of kit on show and always something new and exciting to talk about. And well, this year it looks like we've got something with an iPhone stuck on top. Tell us a bit about that.
Well, you have. This is our year of USB and iPhone type interfaces. We have a few, two launched here. This is our headline unit. This is called the Cub. This is a 2 input, 2 output mixer and USB audio interface to smart devices, iPhones, iPads, etc. You can see on the front here we have 2 input controls for the 2 inputs which are on the side. They are mic line 48 volt phantom switchable. The buttons here we can configure, so they can be momentary, latching, they can be cough buttons, they're all configurable. What's particularly special about this is the quality of the inputs, because our engineers have spent a lot of time making sure that this is as high as quality as we can get it, particularly the DSP control of these front controls here. They're a combination between a fader and a gain to try and maximise the ADC so we get the lowest possible noise and best noise floor performance possible. So very high performance. Each of these inputs can be switched to either or both of the 2 main outputs. Right. So that means you can use this as the twin mono unit completely separately if you're interviewing, you on one side, the other person on the other perhaps. You can configure it to be used in a stereo fashion, completely configurable as you need it. There are also 2 headphone outputs on the side on 6.35mm jacks, completely independent, so 2 headphone amplifiers, and they're fed from a 3 input mixer. We have the sum mix of the 2 inputs, and we have the USB Audio 1, USB Audio 2 return. Each of these inputs can be switched to the left ear, the right ear, or both ears. Right. So again, it allows complete flexibility if you're using this for a stereo monitor, if you're using this for an IFB purpose. You can configure it completely as you need it, very flexible unit. Then you have the actual USB connections themselves. Obviously here we have put a USB plug on the top panel, which allows you to put a phone directly onto the top using our special secret magic pad. If you try and take that off,
that's not going anywhere.
That's not going anywhere, but that is actually, it peels off.
Oh, wow.
A micro sucker pad. So that's not sticky.
No, it's not. It's quite impressive.
And it just sticks like glue on there, and once it's on, it doesn't move. So it's a very useful pad that sticks, locks like glue, but it's not sticky, so very reusable. That gives you the stereo, 2-channel, full bandwidth digital interface to the device. Right. Then obviously for the software side you can use IP codecs such as Lucy Live. You can use any of the recording applications that are available. But not just on the smartphones, we have a B-type USB on the side, so this can connect out to a PC or a notepad. And again, any of the DAWs on PCs and notepads, this is a very high quality recording interface just to ingest into a PC. It uses DC power, or we have a panel on the back here for completely portable use. It has 4 AA batteries on the back. Oh, there we go, just a pad on the back for the 4 batteries. We give you the strap with it, and it's a complete self-contained unit, very high quality for reporters, for live interviewing and recording, or for any type of IFB recording. I was talking to a musician, first person I spoke to this morning, who loved it for recording his musician applications.
So it's a very flexible unit. I mean, it's because of the USB, and obviously you've got balanced XLR out as well, a USB jack for headphone, for an iPhone, or I suppose any Android device would work that supports the USB.
Absolutely, and we don't believe anyone has made a device at this quality level in the market, and certainly we have had huge interest on this initially. There'll certainly be some very interesting reviews coming up across the press, and lots of key broadcasters are very keen to see it, because it solves a lot of problems all in a single box. It's very simple for the user.
That's great, Mark. Now, this is the first time I've seen it. Is this unit shipping, or when's it due to be seen?
This is pretty much available in 2 or 3 weeks. So, yep, they're pretty much ready just about now.
Excellent. And if they want to find out some details and specifications of this unit, and of course all the other gear you've got here, what's the website they can go to?
They can go to glensound.co.uk, or indeed we are at BVE. we're here for the next 3 days. We're on stand M28, so if they're seeing this early, they can come down and see us on the stand.
Mark, thank you. A pleasure as always to talk to you. If you are coming to BVE, come and have a look. The stand number is, I'm going to ask him again.
M28.
M28. You can't miss him. Has a lot of kit to look at. If you aren't able to get here, obviously go and have a look at their website.